Let's do other stories because in a related development, American Ambassador to Ghana, Virginia Palmer, is urging the National Health Insurance Authority and the government to reimburse claims made by the Upper West Regional Medical Stores to enable it function effectively. She noted that once the claims are paid, it will enable the medical stores pay its suppliers and function effectively. Virginia Palmer made the statement during a day's tour of the Upper West region. Join News Upper West Regional correspondent Rafiq Salam reports from WA.
The American ambassador to Ghana, Virginia E. Palmer, stated that the northern Gulf of Ghana, for that matter, the entire country, matters a lot to the United States of America, and thus explain why she embarked on the tour of the Upper West region. She said the American government is particularly concerned about security in Ghana following the surge in violent extremism in neighboring Burkina Faso.
Security in Burkina Faso has made everybody more concerned about violent extremism there. And so I have long admired the government of Ghana's approach and the government of Ghana's recognition that inclusive economic growth and prosperity in the north and social cohesion is an important weapon against violent extremism. So I came to see how the United States might be helpful, and I met the regional minister and the Regional Security Council, which was fascinating, and I appreciated being able to talk to all the people that keep all of us safe, Ghanaians and foreigners like me who live in Ghana, so the police and the fire service and the Ghanaian armed forces.
Virginia Palmer also took a tour of the regional medical stores to ascertain how key interventions relating to the supply chain systems are working, given the partnership and support the government of Ghana received from U.S. aid in many respects. The regional medical stores serves as a center for the storage and efficient distribution of medicine and non-medicine logistics and equipment to all health facilities across the region to enhance the delivery of quality health services to the people. This is done through the receipt of various items from the national level and sometimes and regional level procurements to stock the stores for distribution to facilities. The Upper West region has 306 health facilities comprising an ultra-modern regional hospital, 9 district hospitals, 4 polyclinics, 72 health centers, and over 200 CHIPS compounds. Delay in reimbursing claims from the National Health Insurance Authority, according to Virginia Palmer, is a key challenge they are facing.
Well, this facility is beautifully run, as you could tell, and we support the facility with some COVID kind of system strengthening things like refrigerators and freezers and the vaccines themselves, but also basic drugs for malaria, TB, HIV, and then basic medicines. So I think the biggest challenge, I understand, is the payment of arrears, which are the payment lag is larger in areas that are far away from Accra. So it's very important that the government and the National Health Insurance System pay the bills so that the stores like this one can pay the suppliers and continue to keep those basic medicines available.
The U.S. ambassador then opened up on other projects embarked on by a country.
With the new commitment to this area, we did just announce a new $35 million program, the RING program, about 10 days ago, and that will have to do with agricultural programming here, making sure people can get access to fertilizer and new agricultural techniques. And then last year we announced a $45 million water, health, and sanitation program for the North. So a lot of that will come to Upper West.
Accompanying the U.S. ambassador on the tour was the Deputy German ambassador, Sylvain Janssen, who spoke of the commitment of 82 million euros by the German government to better the lives of the people.
We had government negotiations last week in Berlin on German-Ghanaian Development Cooperation, where the German government pledged 82 million euros to support the Ghanaian people to live better lives. We are very active when it comes to border management, stability mechanisms in borders, demarcation work, and also police training and many other areas. We do have a lot of women training programs. For example, women that would like to start their own business. We coach them, we help them to be prepared to do this. Here, actually in Var, we have a cashew farm that is women-led, that was built with German support. Only 2 weeks ago, Ghana launched the 51st chapter of the African Women Leaders Network, which since the beginning has been supported by the German government.
Reporting for J News, Rafik Salam, Wa.